TV. So, how's the security preparation so far in the Pacific?
Okay, thank you, sir. Here inside the Basilica, we are now tightening our security. And first, if you want to ask also on basically we have the police officers here and also share about their preparation. So, but we are inside the Basilica, we prepare on really we heighten our security.
If I may add to the answer of Paluchon, yes, for the past years that we been celebrating the Festa Senior, every year we are improving and learning from the lessons of the previous years. Because for example, in 2019, there were good practices that we will be re-implementing this 2020, such as the pedestrian flow. We have started that in 2017, and we have improved that one. And basically, that's fundamentally the same. So the devotees are advised still to remember that our entrance will be that part of Casa Sumpo. So before the beginning of the Mass, there will be steel arcs that will be installed through the partnership and efforts with PRO7. So it's really the PRO7 that is helping us in ensuring the tighter security measures. I mentioned tighter because every year the number of people coming to Basilica is increasing. So we have to adjust to the number of people flocking to the Basilica. And we ask the public to please abide or understand these kind of measures that we are putting up. For a time, this may imply inconvenience on your part, but as we move along, we will realize that this for the common good, for the betterment of everybody. And along with the pedestrian flow, traffic, we still want to remind the public that inside the compound or inside the pedestrian flow area, within the perimeter, meaning from Plaza Sumbo until the area in the Senior Boulevard, we are discouraging people from bringing in balloons. No? And as we mentioned that it's a risk, not only in our personal level, but it's also a risk in our environment. In the past years, when we did not implement the ban of balloons, so there were balloons that explode inside the Basilica. It will parang alarm sa mga tao. It will disturb the solemnity of the masses here being done in the Basilica. So remember, our mass will start at 4 a.m. and then the last mass will be at 7. So in each mass, we are expecting not less than 10,000 people who will be attending. Within the compound of the Basilica and the extension, which is the Plaza Sumpo. And we can see the security risk, the number of people that we are trying to accommodate here in the Basilica. That's why we would like to reiterate that people should understand this kind of measures that we are implementing. Another one is the pre-implementation of the no backpack policy. Maybe later on, our partners in the PRO7 can have the detailed explanations of the policy, because we are in constant communications since August 2019. We have already we have been deciding a lot about what kind of measures that we are to implement this coming Festa Senior. So again, with the help of the media, we hope that people will understand these measures that we are implementing. The security personnel, meaning the PR7, will deploy permanent police officers from day one, or we will start implementing pala by January 8. I was informed by the operations that sa January 8, nanay mga police ma-assign over 200 police personnel na offer sa PR7 based on our discussions in the previous meetings. And these personnel in uniform will stay put in the Basilica until the end of our masses. And this is something new because this will be the second year that the police personnel assigned to the Basilica will remain from day one until the end of the masses. And as far as the incident report that was collected by the CCPO, there was a decrease of criminalities because of the presence of the police personnel. And we would like to thank the Bureau 7 for taking this effort in deploying this number of police personnel. So maybe our friends from Bureau 7 can add to the explanation. Thank you.
Father, additional. With regards to the clear bag policy, what is your take on this, especially in Walang Yanin, siya negative reaction, especially